What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. Got something cool to show you today, and judging by the giant Axial logo on the front, I'm guessing some of you can already guess what's in this box because there's probably already some videos and info floating around about it. I really don't know much about it because it just rolled in and I was kind of not expecting it at all, but I figured I'd do an unboxing and drive it around, show it off a little bit for you guys. So let's get into it. This is the box it just came in, shipping box. Have never looked at this truck other than a couple pictures online, so I really don't know much. Looking at it at the same time as you. The Box Horizon sent it in, first delivery. I believe they're going to be available towards the end of the month, but we're going to try to have them up for pre-order on the website. Link down below. Right on top, thing is a monster. 1/6 scale. Never seen anything like it. Try to get it out of the box here. It is not light. Ooh, let's pop it open on the back side. Had to get another person in here just to hold the camera because it's so big. There we have it. Out of the box, get that aside. I'm gonna flip you right over the side here right first. Show off what we got for colors here. Looks like we got, what color do we end up with? We ended up with a silver one. Looks like coming in an army green as well. Two new colors I haven't seen from Axial. Let's flip it around here. Some of the features, got to walk around. This thing's huge. Now it looks like we're coming with all metal links. That's to be expected. On the front we got, looks like just straight axles and not portals on this one. Looks like we got threaded aluminum shocks, adjustable coil shocks. Draft shafts look huge. They look like just bigger versions of the Wild Boars, which seem to work pretty good on the smaller trucks. Nothing too crazy going on the front, just classic Axial packaging. This is where most of our info is here on the side here. We'll get in here, take a look at this. Looks like we just got our basic Spectrum radio. Nothing crazy there. I was wondering about this. Yeah, it looks like a large servo. Wondering if it's a true fifth scale or not. Looks like it's a little bit smaller, but it's going to accept true fifth scale servos if desired. So that's kind of cool. They give you the option for that. The motor and speed control I was curious about too. A little hard from the picture to tell whether it's a bigger unit or not, but judging by the size compared to the tires, looks like it's going to be big. Looks like it's coming with lights, front and rear. That's pretty cool. And what do we got here? Not sure what that's going to be. A 2-speed. Looks like some kind of transfer case, 2-speed setup. And looks like about it. Pretty standard stuff. It's literally just a big version of an SCX10. So let's get this thing open and check it out. Really just a blown up version of the 10 scale truck. It's crazy. Never opened a scaler. I needed a whole table before. Packed in there pretty tight. Not going anywhere. Big chunk of styrofoam. So we got our radio hiding in there. Not just flopping around in a bag in a box. Nothing crazy there. They do throw you the thumb switch on the crawler one, which is kind of nice if you want to do some trailing with the phone. Let's see if we can get this guy out of here. Look at this thing. Holy crap. This looks like just a massive crawler. This is the first time I'm seeing it out of the box here, guys, so I'm a little shocked here. Looks like one of those kids' toys you can ride on. Scale detail looking good so far. See what they got. Looks like they gave you the regular stuff, sticker sheet, batteries, and the manual. know, nothing too crazy going on there. Don't see really any extras this time. So this thing is crazy. Let's get in and take a look at this thing real quick before we drive it. Get it all dirty. This thing is huge. Let me hold this up. Look at the size of this thing. Not sure how the body comes off. Yeah, it looks like they kept the underbody clip system like the smaller vehicle, maybe on a hinge, not sure. Yep. Nope, they didn't hinge it. Looks like it's clipped in the back as well. Big body clips, pretty tight. See if we can get it off of there. Alright, let's take a look at the car here. So it is a larger motor. Appears to be just a large version of the Spectrum system, which is pretty similar to the Axe system. But it is just a massive version of that system, which is pretty cool. I was wondering if it was going to be censored or not. It appears to be censored. We got 3 different mounting positions for the batteries. This is the looks like they have a kind of a dig or a 2-speed in there, not sure which one. Massive servo up front. Box did say you can run a full-size 5th scale servo, which will probably be a solid upgrade in the future, judging by how massive these tires are. I mean, I'll get in here and check these out. I don't have what you consider to be small hands either. Flip it up, take a look underneath. Pretty general SCX10 setup. It's literally just a blown up version of kind of an SCX10-2 underneath with SCX10-3 up top. Kept the full C-channel aluminum chassis. Massive steel links, don't see those breaking. But all in all, looking like a pretty solid car. Literally just a big version of the 10 scale truck. So we're gonna charge up a battery, do a little running. We'll see you in a second. All right, guys, we're doing the driving portion of the video here. Check it out. Got the truck here. We're running it on 4 cell. You can run 2 to 4. I got my buddy RJ here. He's gonna pull up in his 10 scale truck. Check out the size. He's also got the SCX10-2 axles on this truck. So this is basically the smaller version of these axles. You see the size comparison. It's pretty incredible. We're gonna run it on the track here real quick. It is made for 10 scale, obviously, this being the first 6. So we're gonna run it real quick, do the best I can, and show you guys the 2-speed. Try the best I can. Plenty of torque. This large axe system is no slouch. Try my best not to roll it over here. We got the lights front and back on this thing, out of the box. I'm just barely giving it throttle here. Rolling pretty good. That Axe system, or really the Spectrum Firma system, pretty incredible. With ease, no problem. First time driving it. Come around here, I'll kick it in the second gear. You guys can check that out. Here. See what's about. Here we go. Pretty incredible. Wicked fast first and second. First gear, wicked torque. Second gear, super fast. Thanks for watching, guys. Check it on the website. Link down below.